Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We carry several different knife brands. One of those brands is Hogue. Hogue is known primarily for their gun grips, but their knives are just as good as their grips. This knife is the Sig Sauer branded tactical folding knife, part number 36572. The Hogue Sig X5 tactical knife features a 3.5-inch spear point blade with a Black Cerakote finish and a matte gray aluminum frame with G10 inserts. It has a stainless steel ambidextrous pocket clip, as you can see here, for deep carry. It comes with an extra pocket clip that you can attach to the left side of the handle. It also comes with a case. So I'm going to get rid of these items for a moment and get to the knife. So it has a push button locking mechanism here. So we can lock this. So now you can't open it, or I can pull that back and now I can open the blade and lock it into place. And it has a push button release to close the knife. For more specific details, please see the specifications in the comments section below. These cost $229.46. That includes free shipping. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for new knife and flashlight releases. Like this video and please share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.